bonus.
Muingi ni wambiririe kuheana mawoni iguru ria wendia wa gicunji gia 15 gia shares cia thirikari kambuni-ini ya Safaricom. Mihang'o ĩrĩa gũtwarithio na mbere kaunti-inĩ 35. Muingi wa kaunti cia Nairobi, Machakos, Nyandarua na Mandera nĩ wĩkĩrĩire nganja wendia ũyũ, amwe makiuga gũtirĩ hĩndĩ mũrĩmi angĩendia ng'ombe ĩrĩa ĩmũheaga iria rĩingĩ nĩguo agũre irio cia mũthenya ũmwe.
Tunatafuta pesa ndio za kufanya maneno iendelee, lakini tuuze ile ng'ombe tunaokamua maziwa. Jamani, tukauza ng'ombe na tunauza ng'ombe zile ambazo zinatoa maziwa ndio tuweze kuishi siku hiyo.
Is it Vodacom that approach the government to buy the shares, or is the government who approach Vodafone? Because there is a price of 34 which has been put there. I guess Safaricom being a very growing company, maybe in the next 1 year those shares will be even 50 shillings.
Muingi ugĩte kũrĩ na kĩihu kiumbĩke kuona thirikari ĩrenda kwendia igai rĩa Akenya kambuni-inĩ ĩno mbere ya kũmba watho wa ũrĩa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩkuoneka gĩkũhũthĩka.
Kwanza mtengeneze sheria, kwa sababu mtuambia kwamba mnataka mkwanza tuuze ndio mtutengenezee sheria hiyo, tuwezi kubali. Mtengeneze sheria kwanza ndio mrudi kwetu kama wananchi. Kwa sababu mnataka kuuza ndio mkule, ndio tuambia kwamba mtaweka sheria. Tumeona ya kwamba baada ya finance bill mulifanya jinsi mnatakavyo. Hiyo tumekataa kama wananchi.
Akenya arĩa manyitĩte mbaru wendia ũyũ makiuga kũrĩ na bata wa mĩbango ĩtiganĩte ya ũthii wa na mbere. Na uo kĩgĩna kĩa bilioni 240 iria irendekana ikumana na wendia ũyũ na ikuhũthĩka gũtwarithia bũrũri na mbere.
Anaenda kutengeneza barabara na kutengenezea sisi mambo mengine. Kama hapa tukiona runinga kutoka upande ile nyingine, mvua ikinyesha hii Nairobi inafungana kila sijui mtaro inafungana. Kama hii pesa itaenda na kusaidia kasi kama hiyo kufungua hiyo manjia na ile ya barabara, tutai support na kusema ni heko.
Akenya kĩhĩri nĩ mekĩrĩire nganja mũhũthĩrĩre wa mbeca iria ikuoneka, amwe makiendekithia shares ici cia Safaricom irekererio kũrĩ mũingĩ wa Kenya.
Kila mtu Kenya ni maskini, so there are people who can buy these shares. So that's what we are saying when we say we are talking about public shareholders. So try selling the 15% to Kenya if it is that necessary to sell it, but I don't see the necessity.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna mbunge-inĩ Kuria Kimani oigĩte ya Kenya nĩ monanĩtie ũtaũku mũnene igũrũ rĩa wendia ũyũ na kũria ambunge gũtua matua marĩa magĩrĩire.
These ordinary citizens have demonstrated they truly understand these matters. They take time to read these documents that are come before us. But sometimes it's very embarrassing when you see members of parliament who are elected to represent the people speaking on things based on rumors. And you're a member of parliament. So my urge to colleagues is that as you go to oppose and to discuss this, discuss it on facts.
Kimani ũrĩa nĩ mũmbunge wa Molo erĩte ambunge mũingĩ ũgũkorwo makũrĩire maitho kuona matua marĩa megũtua. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.